Thousands of dollars in damage, allegations of a botched job.
I just cannot believe he's still doing the work.
KMBC9 investigates the issues others have faced when hiring the same roofer. People at a Belton nursing home are demanding action after they say a local roofer did $600,000 worth of damage to their roof. Good evening, everybody. I'm Chris Katz.
And I'm Kelly Eckerman. Laura is off. The nursing home claims he did a faulty installation. KMBC9 Investigates has been looking into the case, and as Andy Alcock found, this same roofer has had problems before.
Beautiful Savior Home is a Lutheran-based nonprofit nursing and rehab center. A petition for damages filed on behalf of the home accuses Jason Stewart and his company Elite Roofing and Contracting of an improper installation of a new roof, causing leaks and other damages.
I just cannot believe he's still doing the work, and people are still suing him.
Ralph Sitkowski hired Stewart to put a new roof on his home 7 years ago. He said shingles were piled on the roof, but the work was never done. Sitkowski's case is one of 7 cited by the Missouri Attorney General in this default judgment against Jason Stewart and his former company Apex Roofing, filed with a court 3 years ago. That judgment is for an excess of $90,000. In a statement, Stewart said he no longer takes money from customers until the work is done. But the Beautiful Savior complaint claims Stewart violated the default judgment order to not accept upfront payments from consumers. We found judgments against Stewart's former company Apex dating back to 2015. There's also a 2016 Kansas consent judgment stating Stewart violated the state's roofing registration and consumer protection acts. He agreed to pay more than $22,000 in restitution to a consumer in that case and signed the document.
I have not seen a dime returned to me since the day I gave him the money.
Stewart, in a statement, claims Beautiful Savior improperly terminated the roofing contract, and he did nothing wrong. Andy Alcock, KMBC 9 News.
Stewart also says his work at Beautiful Savior Home was inspected at least weekly by an independent adjuster who agreed the work was done properly. He's filed a counterclaim against the nursing home. If you have a problem or a tip, KMBC9 Investigates wants to hear from you. Email investigates@kmbc.com and our team may get on the case.